and it's brilliant to be here. I've read a lot about it. I've read that there are some really innovative retail concepts here, so I'm super excited to experience them for myself.
I think as a former retailer, conferences like this are a breath of fresh air. You know, it's at one extreme level, it's like group therapy. You're not the only person going through this. Everyone else is facing challenges. They just may be facing it and coming at it in a different way.
It's a really long time. I've been associated with the MECSC since 1995. So that's like, I think it's almost 24, 25 years. It's been very helpful for us as an organization and also personally for me in terms of my own growth. We network with people, and without people getting to know, they tell us so much about what's going on, you know. And
so it's actually been quite exciting for me to come to the Retail Congress because Dubai has nobody on the streets. They're all in the malls, but you get inside the mall and there is all society. There are people with all sorts of, physical enhancements. It was like a gigantic mating dance as well as consumption at scale. And this is the perfect place to look at where the mall goes.
As an exhibitor for the last 7-8 years we are here, our experience is very good. We are meeting retailers, we are meeting other investors as well, sharing with them the ideas, what's in the market, how the changes are happening in order for all of us to share and see what we are going to do in future.
It's a really interesting conference, not only in networking, which is for sure a really important part, but also to learn from other companies what they're doing, how they're tackling. I think you can see it by the number of people attending and also on the level of attendees that it's a really, really great conference.
It's always a pleasure to be part of Retail Congress. The reason being, like all retail fraternity comes together, they talk about the way forward. We always see some of the deals happening in this Retail Congress, and it's always beneficial for all of us.
I am with the Middle East Council of Shopping Center since 8 years, something like that. We are here today in Recon. We hope it's fantastic. It's a very nice event to collect all these people here to be.
Last year was the first year. This year is much better because we are a little bit more experienced about what Recon can offer us. Last year we were just exhibiting and we had a stand. This year we are having these B2B meetings, which is going very well for us.
Actually, I came as a visitor a few times, and today this is our first stand. The experience is great. I think we are getting good interest, and there is a lot of different projects happening all over the Middle East.
Our CEO is a staunch supporter of this whole event and has been for some time, as you say. One of the things we've noticed is it brings together such a diverse amount of people. The clients are not just from one area, one sector, they're from a number of sectors, and we're able to meet them here and show what we can do, which is great for us.